So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this finished product. First, have a picture of a castle already in Photoshop ready to be edited. Then use the polygonal lasso tool to select the rough outline of the castle and copy and paste it onto the actual file you're creating the image in. And continue using the polygonal lasso tool to select and delete the background of the castle until you're satisfied with the results. And next, have an image of a Lego castle open in Photoshop, and use the magic wand tool to select and delete the background of the castle. And for deleting both backgrounds of the castles, you can use the multiple types of lasso tools and magic wand tools, but the ones we used were just the ones we found to be the easiest. And once you're done deleting the background of the Lego castle, copy and paste the image onto the image file that you're creating the actual finished product in. And flip the Lego castle upside down so that the bottom of the castle aligns with the bottom of the regular castle. And next, open the picture of the new background you're going to use for the castle on the top in Photoshop, and copy and paste it onto the actual image file. And adjust the image so that its edge doesn't go past the image of the top castle, or like however you liked it to look. And do the same for the background for the Lego castle. And the image we used was really small and pixelated, so we decided to tile the images so it would look better and more natural. And we did this by copy and pasting the images over and over and aligning them. And yeah, you're done. Thanks for watching.